How to use Gmail filters and labels. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can use Gmail filters and labels in order to customize your Gmail and save time. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Gmail and this is where you will land. This is the inbox of my Gmail and you can see right here I have a lot of emails to go through and this is actually giving me a headache. So I need to customize my Gmail and add different label so that I can save time and it will become easy for me to go through my emails. So that's what I will show you today. And with all of these emails, it's really hard to find different emails and the one I am looking for. I will show you how to use the filter search where we can simply go ahead and filter our search. So let's get started. Now, the first thing is going to be adding different labels. What you have to do is simply open up your menu right here. In here, I will be able to find different categories, the default ones such as inbox, snoozed, sent, drafts, and others. I can simply go ahead and create new labels of my own in order to simply go ahead and create categories for my emails. Simply click right here on create new label and now give your label a name. I simply want to create a label known as not important. So I will have an idea that these emails are actually not important. Simply click on create and a new label will be created. I have other labels as well such as focus required for my emails that need focus to read. And I will require time to read them and I will have an idea that okay, I need to sit down and read these emails. Then we have urgent reaction for my emails that need an immediate reaction. Let's go ahead and add another label which is going to be completed. This is for my emails that I have already read and completed the task. Simply click on create. You will simply create different labels that suit you. Let's go ahead and change the color for this one. Now I have all of these different labels. Let me show you how we can simply go ahead and add labels to our emails. Now let's close this one. I have this inbox right here and it has a lot of different emails. Let's go ahead and add labels. What you have to do is you will simply select an email. Let's go with this one. This is not important. So what I need to do is simply go to labels right here and add the label of not important and apply. You can see right here now this one has the label not important. Let's say that I want to add this label to more than one email. I will simply select and now again I will select labels and not important. There you go. Now all of these emails have the label of not important. Let's go ahead and add the label of completed on this one. So I'm going to select this one and let's go ahead and select this one as well. Let's add the label of completed and apply. This way I have added these labels to my different emails. Again, I can simply select and add different labels. I can actually go ahead and add more than one label on different emails. Let's go ahead and add the label of urgent reaction and focus required for these. Now what I need to do is simply click on apply and you can see right here we have two labels at once. This is how I can simply go ahead and add labels to my Gmail right here. And this way I will be able to customize my Gmail right here. If you have opened up any of the email, let's go ahead and open this one. I can add a label even when I am reading an email. Simply go ahead and click on this right here, label, and select the label from here. And now this has been added to not important. To check out that how many emails I have in a label, I can simply see the number right here. 29, 8, 4, 8 again. To delete and copy a label, you simply click right here on these three dots. You can change the label color, show or hide it. Then you can edit it, remove the label or add a sub-label as well. If you want to check different emails in a label, you simply click on the label name. Let's go with focus required and then it will open up this right here. I have all of the important emails in here and all of the emails that have this label. And now I have a better idea that I have 8 emails that require the focus and I will open them up and read them without going through all of my thousands of emails in my inbox. Let's go ahead and see how we can actually filter our search. when it comes to a lot of emails, it's really hard to go ahead and scroll down and find the email we were looking for. Now, what you need to do is you will find the option of search mail in here. Then we have this icon right here, which allows us to filter our search. In here, I can actually go ahead and add name. So in here, we have from. I can simply go ahead and add an email address from which I have received an email. Then we have to. We have the subject as well. Then we have include words. We have doesn't have, size, date within, search, MB, date, and we have has attachment option and don't include chats. Let's say that I actually received an email from a team member and he said that he shared this file with me, an email. I need to search that email. Let's go ahead and add from. So I know the name. Then we have the subject. The subject was, if you do not know the subject, then you can simply go ahead and add different words, very random words that you have an idea about. You can simply go ahead and add the word marketing strategy. So I know the word website. I don't have any idea about the size or the date. Well, I know about the date. I can simply go ahead and search for 1 week or maybe 3 days because this email was very recent. Now, click on search and Gmail will search the email for you. And there you go. This is the email that I was looking for. 8 ways to increase your website traffic. It has the words I was looking for and it is from the person I was, referring to. And this is how you can simply go ahead and search different emails right here in your Gmail and it becomes really easy for you. You can simply go ahead and search multiple emails right here. You can search by size and by attachment and subject, words, whatever you want to, and it becomes really easy for you. You can also create a filter if you want to. Let's go ahead and create a new filter, which is the name of the client. Let's say that I want to go ahead and search by this name, the name of my client. I want to create this filter. All you have to do is simply type in the name and click on create filter. And a new filter will be added. You can see right here, these are the different filters. Now click on filter and a new filter will be added. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this is how you use labels and filters in Gmail. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.